What is an IDX and how does it work? Nah, I need to say it differently, with
emotion.
like
IDX. How does it work?
perfection. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on our channel. Today I want to cover the topic of IDX because in my opinion, it's a very important subject to all of you who are taking your first steps into the real estate industry. You want to get more clients, but you are unsure how to approach that. Should you use IDX directly or maybe focus on national portals like Zillow or Trulia? We covered this matter extensively in our article, so be sure to check Placester's Marketing Academy. You will find the link in the description. And now, let's talk about IDX. For us, real estate professionals, it's a software that allows you to add multiple listing services, the MLS listings, to your website. IDX establishes connection between your website and the MLS and then display them on your website. It is incredibly convenient because these listings will be updated automatically every few hours. So your audience can browse them and reach out to you for more information about the available properties. This allows you to get more leads and more closed deals. And if you watched my recent video about how to become a luxury real estate agent, one of my tips was to focus more on your listings because they are an easy way to attract more clients. And the more your brand grows, the more people will check them. But what if you use other databases like Zillow or Trulia? Anyone who ever Googled any property for rent, sell or buy has stumbled on one of these. So you're probably asking yourself a question: why should I integrate IDX with my website? I can use those platforms instead. And I want to expand a little bit on that. You see, those platforms, they don't use IDX. They rely on individual agents and brokerages to repost MLS listings, or they aggregate data from syndicators of real estate industry. That's why you'll find that the listings on portal sites are often not as comprehensive or as up-to-date as IDX data. There are studies that confirm that real estate brokerage websites display 100% of agent-listed homes for sale. There were many cases where national portals presented listings that had been long sold or not available, but the data had not been updated. The same goes for any changes on the MLS part. In some examples, rentals are updated in a time frame between 12 hours up to 7 days. So if you want to make sure that your website presents 100% accurate data integrated with IDX. Feel free to share your experience with national portals or IDX in the comment section so other viewers can have some point of reference. Of course, there are some rules for using IDX, but it's not rocket science. We expand on that subject in our article, so be sure to check it out. Right now, you are probably asking yourself a question. So, what an IDX can actually do for my business? I see it as a win-win situation for both ends, real estate professionals and customers.
I see this as an absolute win.
There are so many advantages of using this system. On one hand, agents and brokers can share the most pertinent, appealing listings to attract buyers. On the other hand, buyers get the lowdown of the most recent listings to hit the market and confidence that the information is correct. If you want to learn more about how to integrate your website with IDX in Placester, I cover that step by step in our video. Also check our Placester's Marketing Academy to find even more story behind IDX. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.